For creating the herringbone stitch, we have to first do chain 12, and in this pattern we repeat row 3 and row 4 all around. Row 2 is little different than row 4. There is a slight difference. I will let you know when we will reach there. So first make a slip knot, and I am going to do chain 12. You can do according to your project. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. So this is my row 1, and now for row number 2 I'm going to skip this first chain and do a single crochet on the second one, just a normal single crochet. Now from here on I will start with the herringbone stitch. So for that, this is the first leg. This one here, I will call it the first leg. Okay, so always insert your hook on the first leg, then on the next chain, yarn over, pull through, stretch it nicely, yarn over and pull through all 3. So this will create this pattern, tilted pattern. Again, insert the hook on the first leg, on the next chain, yarn over, pull through and give it a nice stretch, yarn over and pull through all 3. So I'm going to repeat this on all the chains of this round number 2. This is the second last. And now here I will do the last one. Stretch it and pull through. So I have finished row number 2. Now I'm just going to do chain 1 and turn my work. Now we are at the back side of our pattern. This is the front side and this is the back side. The back side is different. We are going to work from the back side. So for the first chain, I'm going to insert my hook on this, on the chain from the back side, from behind. And then I'm also going to pull this front loop, this one. So I have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through, pull it, stretch it tight nicely and pull through. So at the starting I just had 2 loops on my hook, but from now on I will be having 3. Again take the first leg and then insert hook on the next chain from behind. Also this one. So I took 3 loops, then yarn over and pull through, pull it nicely, and then just yarn over and pull through again. Again, I am going to work from behind only. Take the first leg and then insert hook on the next chain from behind, bring it front. Again, take this front loop, insert hook and just yarn over and pull through. Pull it nicely, yarn over and pull through. I'm going to repeat this till here. So this is my second last. And then yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now in the last one, in the last stitch there will be little difference. I will show you. I inserted my hook on the first leg, then I took insert hook on the last chain, but here I will not be having the front loop, so I will just continue without it and pull through. Now at the end I am going to do chain 1 and I have finished round number 3. So round number 1 was just simple chain. Round number 2 was, the first stitch was single crochet and all the stitches were herringbone stitches, and round number 3 it was working from the back side. Now again we will turn. Now we are at the front side again and I'm going to start row number 4. So for this I'm going to skip the first one and do a single crochet on the next. It's a normal single crochet, and from here on I'm going to do herringbone stitch like we did on round number 2, but there will be a slight difference. So let me show you what's the difference is. So first take the front leg, take the next chain, and now take this back loop, yarn over, pull through, stretch it nicely. We have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through. So this was the only difference, that we will be taking these back loops as well. Again, insert hook on the front leg, insert hook on the next chain, insert hook on the back loop, yarn over, pull through, stretch it nicely, yarn over and pull through. Again, I'm going to repeat it all till here. So now for the back side, I'm going to repeat what we did on row number 3. That is, I will be working from the back side. So just insert the hook on the second chain. Also take the front loop, yarn over, pull through, stretch it, yarn over and pull through. Now from the second chain onwards, I'm also going to take the first leg. Take the first leg, insert hook on the next chain, insert hook on the front loop, yarn over, pull it nicely, and then yarn over and pull through. Again, take the first leg, take the next chain, also take the front loop, yarn over, pull it nicely, yarn over. I'm going to repeat this all around. Now I'm at the last one. This is the second last, sorry. Now at the last, take the last chain. But here again, we can see that there is no front loop to pick. So we will continue without it. We are done with this row. Chain 1 and turn. Now we will work on the front side. We can see the beautiful herringbone pattern. Again, we will skip the first chain, and on the second we will just do a simple single crochet. And on the second one, I'm going to take the front leg, take the second chain, also take the back leg. So this is the pattern we are going to repeat all around. Take front leg, take the next chain, take back loop, and then yarn over, pull it, and yarn over, pull it, pull through. So now we are only going to repeat these 2 rows. The first 2 rows were little different, and now all the rows are same. Front side we are going to repeat the same pattern, and back side we are going to work from the back loops. Now at the end, just take chain, the last chain, and here we will not be having the back loop to pick, and I will just continue without it. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now keep on repeating these 2 rows, and I will meet you after some time. After making few more rounds, we will have this beautiful herringbone pattern. This is the front side and this is the back side.